Does sachet gin, alcohol, your kai kai, your squadron, your Chelsea, does it prevent a woman from getting pregnant? Now let's make another illustration. You have stomach pain and you have headache. Tell me how medicine for headache will go to stop stomach pain. It is two different things. You are having headache, you want to take medicine for stomach pain. How will it work? The headache will remain where it is. It will not work. Therefore, what am I trying to say? Alcohol is not an emergency contraceptive. Alcohol is not an emergency contraceptive. It doesn't work that way. Alcohol, when you take alcohol, it goes into your body, it mixes with your blood down to your brain. Alcohol does a different thing in the body. Alcohol is not an emergency contraceptive. It can only maybe shake some organ in your body. That's why it's not good for a pregnant woman to take it. It can only, disturb some of the organ in your body, making some things in your organ not to function normal. But it is not a direct source to remove yogurt from your mucus. So taking alcohol after knacking cannot stop you from getting pregnant. You might be thinking that it is working for you, but the truth about the matter is, if you are on your ovulation and you take these things, you will surely get pregnant. The only reason why you think it is actually working for you, it is because you are just like, you are knacking when you are not on your ovulation period. If you doubt what I'm saying, if you're on your ovulation, go and knack, then take sachet gin or take whatever you want to take, and make sure that thing is not contraceptives. Take your water, take your salt, take your dry gin, your kai kai, your whatever, take all those things and see what will happen at the end. We are all going to come and visit you after 9 months. That is just it. So, if you are knacking and you want to prevent pregnancy, it's either you use protection, or after knacking, you go and take contraceptives, which is your Prostanon 2 or your Plan B 1 step, and so on. There are so many contraceptives you can take after knacking, but it's not something that you have to be taking irregularly, because it can cause some kind of harm to your system. So that's why it's called emergency contraceptive, because it's something that has to do with emergency, something that you didn't plan and it just came up. You did it, and the next minute you can't take it. So it will help to prevent you from getting pregnant. So please, this is all I have to share with you guys in regards to this video. Thank you very much, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.